I gotta get this on camera. It's gonna be bright. Come on.
Did you light it?
No. Just waiting for me.
Oh.
For Paul to get his camera going.
Oh god, you can't see anything in the video. It's just pitch black.
Yeah.
We're going.
Okay, we'll light it.
I missed it. I'm gonna miss it because I'm gonna watch it.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Awesome.
All right.
Do it again, do it again! Okay, you guys.